Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create and manage project milestones on Asana's timeline, your guide for 2025. First up, let's create a milestone. After logging into Asana, navigate to your project's timeline. Click the orange plus button and select Milestone. This is important because milestones help track your project's progress by highlighting significant events or achievements. Now, let's name it. Type a name that clearly signifies its importance. This helps us because a well-named milestone can quickly convey its purpose to the team. Next up, set a due date. Click on the Date field and choose the due date for this milestone. The reason we do this is to provide a target for the team to work towards. It gives a sense of direction and urgency. All right, now that we've created a milestone, let's manage it. Click on the milestone and select Progress. Here, you can update the status of your milestone. This is vital because it keeps your team informed about the progress and if any adjustments need to be made. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the green Save Changes button at the bottom of the dialog box. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't save your changes, all the work you've just done will be lost. And there you have it. That's how you create and manage project milestones on Asana's timeline, your complete guide for 2025. Remember, milestones are all about tracking progress and keeping your team aligned. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next tutorial.